Do vi rangjin ta tu sang je, it means the nature of all sentient being is always perfect. And that perfection is what we call Buddha, Sangje. So naturally, primordial wisdom is the essence of every single sentient being. Therefore, ultimately, everyone and every sentient being is perfect. Not only sentient being, the things that sentient beings perceive, what they see, what they hear, the essence of all of it is perfect and primordial. Once we don't recognize this, then something becomes better and other things become worse. And then where we cope with this, then sometimes good things also become bad. And then good news is sometimes bad things also become good.